Hey everyone, it's Kelly. I just wanted to show you something that I basically just learned how to do. I learned how to use my flat iron to make some loose curls in my hair. My hair is very fine and thin, and I don't use a lot of heat products on it just because, I just want my hair to stay as healthy as possible. But I'm loving this. So what I do is I put a little bit of the Rejuvenique on here, just on the ends. It protects my hair from the heat. So I put a little bit of that on my hands and rub it kind of all over. So we'll do that right now. It doesn't take much. Just kind of rubbing it in throughout the ends of my hair. Your head naturally produces oil, and that slowly makes its way down the shaft. So the hair down at the bottom doesn't have as much oil in it as the rest of your hair, and you really do need that to help protect your hair so that it doesn't break and have split ends. Okay, so then I pull my sides up. Let me step to the side for a moment. Just kind of pull my sides up, so I put my hair into two sections. If you've got short hair, you might not have to do it quite that much, or if you've got really long, thick hair, you might have to do a couple of different sections. So I just kind of pull it up. I brush through it real quick. Okay, and I'm going up with my part like this. I take a small section of hair. Okay, I'm going to go in my hair, and I'm going to turn it one turn and slide it all the way out. And I turn, and I just slide it all the way out. And I've just got this little loose curl coming through. And I just kind of keep doing that throughout all my hair. I'll pull up another section. I turn it and come out, and I want it to go slow as I'm pulling it through. You see the curls coming through? And if I get a part that I didn't think curled all the way, I just go back through it one more time, just to where there we got those nice curls coming through. And I'll do this throughout all of my hair. I just turn a half turn, 90 degrees. Slowly pull it through my hair. There we go. And I'll do the same thing over on this side. A half turn and slowly pull it through. Okay, and then I'll just take my hair down, and I usually do two sections. You could kind of come up and do three sections if you wanted to. You don't want to do too much hair, because the thicker it is, the less heat it has coming through it. So then you might want to just kind of play around with it and see. It also depends on how thick your hair is. Okay, so I come through, I do my half turn, and this is super quick. You do want to make sure your hair is fully dry though. You don't want to start putting your hair through the hot iron as it's still damp. You don't want to damage your hair, so you want to make sure it's fully dry. Whether it's air dry, which is what I did this morning, or if you're blow drying it. If you're blow drying it, I would suggest the Monet blowout cream, just to give your hair a little more protection against the heat that you're putting on it. See, those curls are turning out really good. So that half turn, and slowly just slide it out. I am not, I don't work in a salon. I'm not, known to be really up in everything with doing, you know, hairstyles and whatnot. So it's a lot of trial and error for me. I did ask my friend how she does this. She does own a salon. Oh yeah, and see, I've got a few straight pieces I missed.
Mom.
Lily, can you wait a second? I'm making a video. That's okay, sweetie. We just kind of slide it through. Did I miss another piece? Yep, I missed another. Oops, I just missed the end. I probably pulled it around too quick. There we go. And it just adds like a nice loose curl. Oops, I got another piece hiding back in here I missed. So half turn, slowly pull it through. And for me to do this, it's maybe 10 minutes tops for me. You know, if you've got longer hair or thicker hair, you might just need to kind of try it out before you're on your way to work or whatnot. Then I come over onto this side, and same thing, half turn, and slide it out. And see, I just want to make it all the way through nice and slow so we can get that curl going through. There we go. Got a few more pieces to do over here. And then when I'm done, I just kind of run my fingers through it and everything. I don't want to brush it out. Just kind of run my fingers through it, separate some of the curls if they're a little too tight. I want it to look natural. And my hair is definitely not have a curl to it, so anybody that knows me is going to know that I curled it. But I want it to look as natural as possible. There we go. Got a nice little ringlet to it. See it? Oops, I got a couple more over here. You can kind of see them because now they're longer because they don't have that curl to it. There we go. Half turn and slowly slide it out. Please stop.
My horse.
And there we go. There's your curls. Hope you enjoyed.